Hi, welcome to the brand new series of Laravel 9. Now, in this series, we are going to create a complete job portal web application using Laravel 9. Now, before we actually dive into the course contents of Laravel 9, let me briefly introduce about myself to you. So, I have been working in web development field for more than 7 years. Now, in these 7 years, I have learned a lot of new technologies, a lot of stack I have worked upon, such as WordPress, Laravel, CodeIgniter. Basically, the stack that I have followed throughout my career was basically the PHP. All right, so that's a little bit introduction about me. So now let's come back to our course contents. So basically, in this series of course, we are going to create a complete job portal web application. Now, in this web application, we will have three different modules, or you can say three different applications that will work for this video series. Now, one will be for the admin. So, admin will maintain all the parts of the website, all the uh, admin will obviously have to control of everything over the web portal. Now the second section we will have for the companies, and the last section we will have for the users. Now this will basically a complete advanced Laravel series. So I hope you have a little bit understanding of PHP. So if you do not have advanced concepts clear in Laravel, don't worry, I will teach you throughout side by side of this series. This series will basically start from the scratch to the advanced level. All right, so let me show you what our output results will be and what are the admin templates we will be using throughout the series, and how we are going to cover up the series, and what advanced things that we will be using inside the course content. So basically, this is the HTML template that I have downloaded for our front end part. So you can see here we have this job sections. Obviously, we will filter out some things. You can see the popular search over here. Obviously, we will do everything dynamic here, and then we have the categories here. So everything in this whole series will be dynamic. We will not try to make any a little single piece of code. We will not try to make it a hard code. So we will not hard code anything. We will try to make it as much dynamic as we can. So if in future we have to give this project to any other client, so we will not have to worry about anything. So if I go to the single page of this, so this is how it looks. But this theme provides a lot of pages, a lot of designs for every single page. So we will see what the pages and what the layouts we should use. And for the backend admin part, we will use this Autica web template. This is basically the admin template. I have downloaded it as well. So basically these two websites, the admin template and the website, I have purchased them. This one is very old, and this one I purchased recently. All right, so now let's talk about the advanced things, how we are going to start working with the Laravel. So we will be basically using, there are some basic concepts in Laravel, like such as form validations. When a when we hit the route and we make a post request, so we make some kind of form validations. So instead of validating our forms inside the controller, we will try to make it more comprehensive and more Laravel way, and we will create Laravel requests, events, schedules, jobs listeners, and then we will move towards some other advanced functionality such as queues and notifications, emailing templates, and a lot of other stuff. So I hope so you have enjoyed the course contents. Now before we actually move jump to the actual diving into the code, so let me show you the things that you need in your PC or in your laptop before we actually start working on that. So first of all, you have to go to the getcomposer.org and you have to download the composer, whatever the operating system you are using. So it will give you the option. You can either download it from the command line tool, but in that case you will obviously have to follow the documentation what it says. Else there is another way, is that you can basically download the .exe file, and this will automatically manage everything for you. And the next, we will obviously try to create projects with Laravel. So with Laravel we have two options of creating projects. So first option is basically we can just simply say composer create project Laravel slash sir Laravel, and obviously this directory name, whatever we like to give the name to our project. And there is another way is that after installing the composer, we make the Laravel as a global composer. So once we make the composer, the global composer for the Laravel, we will only need to run a single line of command. Instead of this line, we will just move to Laravel new and the folder name. So I hope so. This will cover up the summary of the course contents and what we are going to learn here. I have a simple request from you guys that if you are new to this channel and if you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe this channel, since I will be making a lot of videos in the future, not only with the Laravel, with the Coordinator, WordPress, and we will also move to the some JavaScript parts where we will cover the Vue.js, React.js, and merge stack development like Mongo, Node.js, Express, and a lot of other stuff that we will be covering in this YouTube channel. So it's my request to please subscribe this YouTube channel and like the videos. And if you have any comments, you want to have any suggestions, you can just comment it out under the video, and I will see you in the next video.